There's nothing like traveling with your home away from home towing along behind you, but every now and again you get to that destination that's just a little bit difficult to reach with your caravan in tow, and that's given rise to the concept of Ditch the Hitch. Now what that means is that if you're traveling along with your caravan in tow and you reach that destination that you know you can't get to with your caravan, leave the van behind and live out of your four-wheel drive for a couple of days. I'm going to show you a few pieces of gear that you can throw in the back of the four-wheel drive just in case you want to leave the caravan behind for a night or two and head off to explore with just your four-wheel drive. The first thing you're going to need is a reliable power source. If you don't have a dual battery system in your car, then a portable battery pack like this one here is an ideal solution. This is a 12 volt, 100 amp hour AGM deep cycle battery, and we've got it housed in a handy portable battery box. This box has a voltmeter to allow us to monitor the battery's charge, as well as 12 volt and USB outlets to power our devices and accessories. It also keeps the wiring nice and tidy and makes the battery easier to move around camp. This one also includes an inbuilt circuit breaker to protect your sensitive equipment from damage. The next thing you'll need is a reliable fridge freezer. This unit here from Brass Monkey is 50 litres in capacity and is perfect size for a few nights of car camping. A dual zone unit like this is ideal, as it can function as both a fridge and a freezer simultaneously, so you can keep meat and other perishables fresh for longer. When it comes to cooking, it's hard to go past a lightweight portable barbecue like this one from Rovin. They're versatile, they're easy to clean, and they come in handy on the deck back at home or even on a boat too. Look for a unit with a hood for increased versatility and faster cooking times, and this will let you whip up anything from sausages to a roast. A really useful item to have in your car camping kit is a 12 volt powered LED strip light. These are affordable, lightweight and versatile, with Velcro and hooks so you can attach it to your car, your tent or swag. It has a long 5-meter cable which lets you move it easily to where you need it around camp. You may have left your caravan or camper behind, but you don't have to abandon all comfort. If you're traveling in summer or in the tropics, then a portable fan is worth its weight in gold. Now this one's especially handy. It's freestanding and rechargeable, so it's easy to place wherever you need it around camp and you don't have to plug it in. It can be charged via 12 volt power from your car or your battery setup. And last but not least, a portable gas shower makes your camping experience that little bit more comfortable. This setup connects straight to a gas bottle and a water source, and we've added a trolley mount kit to create a portable freestanding shower that you can wheel into a shower tent for privacy. We don't want to camp away from our caravans for too long, but just by adding a few key bits of gear into the mix, we can spend a few days camping from our car when there's a hard to reach destination that you just don't want to miss.